If you haven't been happy and joyous in a long time and you're wondering why, look in the mirror. We've been taught the craziest lie. I've seen teachers in early childhood. When anybody have like a Tammy Tattletale?
Yeah.
Tammy Tattletale, she like runs up, she like, Billy hit me! And then you have two types of teachers. The teacher that checked out a long time ago, and she goes, Billy, stop it! And the other teacher that actually does the same thing called standing up, and then she looks around, Billy's not here today. So you have Tammy Tattletale, runs up to you, Billy said poopy to me. So then the teacher wants to teach empathy. So she goes up to Billy and she goes, Tammy, tell Billy how he made you feel when he said those words to you. So the programming in that kid's brain is people can make me feel a certain way. Then a half hour goes by. And then some other kid takes away or he doesn't share. I don't believe you share. It's ridiculous. That's crazy. Just like we make up this world that things are fair. Fair is a great way for you to not be responsible for how much harder you're going to have to work over other people. Sorry, if you want to leave, feel free. So, then all of a sudden, Tammy goes to another kid, and then the kid doesn't want to share. And then the teacher goes, Tammy, tell him how he made you feel when he didn't want to share with you. So the programming, again, for Tammy is he can make you feel a certain way. And then you're brainwashed for your whole entire lives. You've been taught a lie. Try on that nobody can make you feel a certain way. This BS world that we live in, he made me mad, she made me, you can watch TV and videos and movies, he made me mad, she made me upset, he made me jealous, they made me this, never happened. The way the mind really works, it's a supercomputer. Somebody says words to you, you hear the words, you process the words, you evaluate the words, you give them meaning, and then you respond and react in a millisecond. And because you don't even know that's your supercomputer running, you don't even realize you did that to yourself, so you look for your happiness externally. Anybody ever hear say something like, this is my better half, this is my other half? Who told you you weren't whole? Does that make sense? So just get that any time for the rest of the program, for the rest of the day, for the rest of your life, when you get upset, you did that to yourself. So you get to do that, you get to undo that from yourself. Does that make sense? By being a star. See, how many of you create expectations for other people? Just curious. This is one of the worst automatic patterns that sucks the life out of us in our joy and happiness. How many of you create expectations for other people? Never share the expectation with them. So that when they don't fulfill the expectation that they know nothing about, who do you get mad at? How does that make any sense whatsoever?